How is a large industrial fan impeller manufactured? Step 1. Laser cutting. Step 2. Blade and front plate forming. Forming the required profiles and curved surfaces. Step 3. Assembly and welding. The blades, front plate, and back plate are precisely positioned and assembled, then welded together to form the complete impeller. Step 4. Machining. Step 5. Finishing and grinding. The impeller then undergoes shot blasting for surface preparation. Step 6. Stress relief annealing. The impeller is placed in an annealing furnace for heat treatment, relieving residual stresses generated during welding and improving structural stability. The machine shaft is then installed and assembled with the impeller. Step 7. Dynamic balancing. The impeller is dynamically balanced to minimize rotational imbalance. Step 8. Protective coating. From individual steel components to a complete industrial fan impeller, every manufacturing step contributes to reliable and stable operation.